Welcome to SAM Official Tech. In today's world, renewable energy is becoming the foundation of a sustainable future. With the rise of solar, wind, hydropower, and other clean energy sources, we are witnessing a revolution in how we power our homes, businesses, and entire cities. But what exactly does the future hold for renewable energy? Join us in this in-depth exploration as we dive into the innovations, challenges, and groundbreaking technologies that are shaping a greener and more sustainable world. Let's get started. Renewable energy refers to energy that is collected from sources that are naturally replenished, such as sunlight, wind, rain, and geothermal heat. Unlike fossil fuels, renewable energy sources produce little to no greenhouse gases, making them essential in the fight against climate change. This section will explain the core principles behind renewable energy, its different forms, and why it's critical to transition from fossil fuels to cleaner alternatives. While renewable energy might seem like a modern solution, its history dates back centuries. In this section, we'll explore how ancient civilizations harnessed wind and water power and how renewable energy technologies have evolved over the years. We'll look at key milestones such as the development of the first wind turbines, the invention of solar cells, and the rise of modern hydropower systems, tracing the journey from early experiments to today's high-efficiency technologies. Solar power is one of the most abundant and widely adopted forms of renewable energy. In this section, we'll explore how solar panels work, the technology behind photovoltaic cells, and the latest advancements in solar energy. We'll also discuss solar power's role in powering homes, industries, and even space missions. The future of solar energy looks bright, with innovations like solar windows, solar roads, and concentrated solar power plants making significant strides. Wind energy has become a major player in the renewable energy sector, with wind farms popping up across the globe. This section will explain how wind turbines generate electricity, the benefits of offshore wind farms, and the challenges of harnessing wind power in different regions. We'll also look at the future of wind energy, including innovations in turbine design and floating wind farms that can capture energy in deeper waters. Hydropower is the most widely used renewable energy source globally, and it plays a crucial role in energy production. This section will explore how hydroelectric power plants work, the advantages of hydropower in providing consistent energy, and the environmental impacts of large dams. We'll also look at innovations in small-scale and micro-hydro projects that are providing clean energy to remote communities. Geothermal energy harnesses the heat from beneath the Earth's surface to generate electricity and provide heating. In this section, we'll discuss how geothermal power plants work, the potential of geothermal energy in countries with active geothermal fields, and the future of enhanced geothermal systems (EGS). We'll also explore the role of geothermal energy in providing baseload power, energy that's available 24/7, regardless of weather conditions. Biomass energy is derived from organic materials such as wood, agricultural waste, and even algae. This section will explain how biomass is converted into electricity, the role of biofuels in transportation, and the potential of next-generation bioenergy technologies. We'll also look at the environmental benefits of using biomass as a renewable energy source, as well as concerns about deforestation and land use. Oceans hold vast potential for energy generation, and tidal and wave energy are emerging as promising renewable energy sources. In this section, we'll explore how tidal turbines and wave energy converters work, the current state of ocean energy technologies, and the challenges of scaling these systems for widespread use. We'll also discuss the potential of ocean thermal energy conversion (OTEC) and how the oceans could one day supply a significant portion of the world's energy needs. One of the biggest challenges with renewable energy is its intermittent nature. Solar and wind power aren't available 24/7. This section will dive into energy storage solutions, including batteries, pumped hydro storage, and emerging technologies like flow batteries and hydrogen storage. We'll explore how energy storage is critical for stabilizing the grid, ensuring a reliable supply of renewable energy, and enabling a future where renewable sources can fully replace fossil fuels. Smart grids are transforming how we distribute and manage energy, making it possible to integrate renewable energy sources more efficiently. This section will explain how smart grids work, the role of AI and data analytics in optimizing energy flow, and how decentralized energy systems are empowering communities. We'll also look at the future of smart grids, including innovations like vehicle-to-grid (V2G) technology, which allows electric vehicles to supply energy back to the grid. The renewable energy sector is not only essential for environmental sustainability but also for economic growth. This section will explore how renewable energy is creating millions of jobs worldwide, from solar panel installers to wind turbine engineers. We'll also discuss the economic opportunities of transitioning to a green economy, including the potential for developing countries to leapfrog fossil fuels and build clean energy infrastructure. Governments play a critical role in the growth of renewable energy through policies, subsidies, and regulations. This section will examine the various incentives that have been introduced globally to promote renewable energy adoption, including feed-in tariffs, tax credits, and renewable portfolio standards. We'll also discuss international agreements like the Paris Climate Accord and the role of global cooperation in accelerating the transition to a clean energy future. While renewable energy offers many benefits, it also faces challenges such as high upfront costs, infrastructure limitations, and opposition from fossil fuel industries. This section will explore the obstacles to widespread renewable energy adoption and how innovative solutions are helping to overcome them. We'll also discuss the need for public awareness and education to build support for renewable energy initiatives. Renewable energy is playing a transformative role in developing countries, providing access to electricity in remote areas and reducing dependence on costly imports of fossil fuels. This section will explore how solar, wind, and micro-hydro projects are powering rural communities, improving living standards, and driving economic development. We'll also discuss the challenges of financing renewable energy projects in developing countries and how international aid and investment are helping to bridge the gap. The renewable energy sector is constantly evolving, with new technologies on the horizon that could revolutionize the way we produce and consume energy. In this section, we'll explore cutting-edge innovations such as perovskite solar cells, floating wind turbines, and fusion energy. We'll also look at the potential of artificial intelligence to optimize renewable energy systems and how blockchain technology could revolutionize energy trading and distribution. The fight against climate change is one of the driving forces behind the push for renewable energy. In this section, we'll explore how renewable energy is helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, slow global warming, and meet international climate targets. We'll also discuss the importance of transitioning to renewable energy as part of a broader strategy for sustainability, including reforestation, carbon capture technologies, and energy efficiency measures. As we conclude this comprehensive look into the future of renewable energy, it's clear that the world is moving towards a more sustainable and eco-friendly energy landscape. Whether it's the power of the sun, the force of the wind, or the heat from the earth, renewable energy has the potential to reshape our economy, reduce our environmental impact, and ensure a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. The transition won't be without its challenges, but with continued innovation and global cooperation, the future of renewable energy looks bright. Thank you for watching this detailed exploration of renewable energy and its potential to power a sustainable future. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about cutting-edge technologies, make sure to subscribe to Sam Official Tech. Don't forget to like this video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. Leave a comment below on which renewable energy source you think will dominate in the future, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay inspired and keep pushing for a greener tomorrow.